Today we've got some actual shelf liners from Sterling. That's what we're going to be talking about. These are our metal racks. We've had these for years and years, and you can never put small items on them because normally you're just dealing with the wire rack. But when you actually buy the liners like we have here, and I'll show you what we're talking about. These guys right here, which are rigid but yet still flexible, and they don't bend in between the actual bar frames. So the actual frame of this actual unit, this is going to stay nice and rigid on top. It's going to, instead of having things fall through like that, this is going to allow you to have all your small things sit properly, so things aren't going to fall over because they're going to hit in between the gaps. Also note that the cutouts are all here. There's cutouts for the actual poles all here. And you're usually buying this in multiple packs, so you can get as many as you need. So depending on how many shelves you want. In my case, I wanted a 4 and I put them in the middle. I don't need it at the top and I don't need it at the bottom, so I put all 4 in the middle. And that gives me something really nice. Now remember, these racks usually have a raised bar in front here. So that means when things are on top, they don't fall over. That also includes the liner. So that's really important. And again, they come in different shades. They're translucent. For my case, this one here is a gray translucent one, and it works out really well. You get them to fit the size you want, so you don't have to do any of that. It's all done for you. All the cutting, all the trimming is ready to go. So if you've invested in these nice racks, you definitely want to make sure you get yourself some of the liners. They're just going to make everything that much better. Well, I hope this video helped you out a bit in your buying turn today. When it comes to liners, really the right way to go. Maybe I'll see you next one. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.